Hi, today I'm reviewing the NEOGEN VITA Duo Joan Day and Joan Night Cream. And really quick, I just want to say I purchased all these products with my own money. So if you want to help keep the channel independent, check out my products at the Amazon link below. So this is a newer product from NEOGEN and kind of a unique product in which you get a, in one jar you get two different creams, a day cream and a night cream. And they've kind of themed this after a beauty influencer. So, and she's done a video about it as well. So, anyway, so I saw that video and I was kind of intrigued by it. Kind of unique, different, decently affordable. So I thought I'd check it out. And I'm going to let you guys know my thoughts on it based on my Sarah score scale. And it was a little bit harder to get my hands on it because it seemed to be frequently sold out. So I picked this up at yesstyle.com. So kind of a fun place if you like beauty, lots of different products there. So they've got a little bit of everything, and so finally got my hands on this. So my first criteria is packaging, and it is a unique product in that you get a day and night cream, but I'm just not always a huge fan of the jar packaging. So, you know, I would have liked to see them do something like this. So I've been using this now, but I saved the cover. You know, you always get kind of a cover over the jars, just a plastic thing which you throw away. I saved mine because I would have liked to see them have kind of two like compartments where you can just like lift up to use the day cream and then just lift up to use the night cream, but they didn't do it that way. So typically you just throw this away, but that's what I would have liked to see in it. And that's kind of when I open it, that's what I was expecting. But no, it's just the typical thing that protects the product from getting all over the jar. So not a huge fan of the jar packaging. There's not a ton of antioxidants in here, so it's not as big of an issue as it would be if we're loaded with a lot of light and air sensitive ingredients. So, and it's not. So it's not as big of a deal, but still I would have preferred it something a little bit different. So my second criteria is alcohol, and this does not contain any denatured or drying alcohol, so that is a good thing. My third criteria is fragrance, and both formulas, the day and the night formula, contain Gardenia Florida fruit extract, which is more of a fragrance ingredient. It has shown to have some potential antioxidant properties. However, the potential sensitizing reaction to them is outweighs any good effects that might come from it. So the daytime jar has that. So if you're going to use it in the daytime, definitely use sunscreen over it. The evening jar contains lavender as well as the Gardenia Florida fruit extract. And lavender can be very sensitizing. Even if you don't have sensitive skin, you can get sometimes sensitized from lavender because it's lavender is kind of comprised of some other essential oils, limonene, linalool, things like that. So if you have sensitive skin, you're probably going to want to pass on the day cream. Or the night cream. I didn't have any issues with this product, so that's good, but my skin can be very sensitive. I didn't have any issues with the lavender or the gardenia, so that was a good thing. But if you have sensitive skin or if you have any skin issues like eczema, things like that, you're more likely to have some issues with that. So I would have liked to see them leave that out of this. NEOGEN is hit or miss sometimes when it comes to fragrance, but definitely use a sunscreen during the daytime, and that will also help protect your skin. But I would have liked to see them leave it out, especially since a lot of people that are into K-beauty are people that have had sometimes sensitivity issues with their skin. So anyway, so that was a little bit of a bummer. So both contain a little bit of fragrance ingredients, but also it's not too much, and it does dissipate rather quickly for both of them. So that was nice to see that they didn't include a ton, but just a few. So my fourth criteria is the manufacturing location, and this is made in Korea, so no issues with that. My fifth criteria is ease of use, and both of these are really easy to use. The day cream, obviously, you want to use during the day. They also include a little spatula thing, so a little bit bigger than normal, so I like that. But I'm still going to leave this over it. So the day cream absorbs quickly, leaves skin feeling nice and soft and hydrated. So really do like that. And the evening cream is also nice, kind of a gel texture to it. So It absorbs really easily, leaves skin feeling soft and hydrated. They both seem to layer well and play well with other products. So if you use other serums or moisturizers or treatments, things like that, they both seem to work very well. The day cream is a little bit thicker than the evening cream, which I would expect to see it the other way around, because in the evening, that's when I really want to moisturize my skin. In the daytime, I just want my skin to be hydrated and play well with other makeup. So anyway, so they're both pretty easy to use. So I'm not throwing this away. If you pick this up, I just recommend keeping this because, I don't know. The less exposure to light and air, the better, in my opinion. So, so both are very easy to use. My sixth criteria is antioxidants. And this was another point where I was let down a little bit with this. For antioxidants, the day cream contains vitamin C and green tea and alanine. So 3 antioxidants and beneficial ingredients. The evening cream contained vitamin E, and that was it for real antioxidants in there. So the evening time, I don't know, it's kind of my chance to really get my skin what it needs to replenish during the evening. So I would have really liked to see that evening cream come with some good beneficial ingredients, but they really didn't include a lot, which was kind of lacking. And I watched the creator's video about this, and she said the lavender kind of helps you go to sleep. But if you're just applying it to your skin, I don't know how much the scent helps you relax and go to sleep. But I don't know. Her video describing it really wasn't too enthusiastic. So I don't know. She kind of just said, this is awesome, this is great, but didn't really point out a lot of benefits from it. So I don't know. But otherwise, in terms of the product, the rest of the ingredients are really just for hydration, a little bit of fragrance, preservatives, texture enhancers, emulsifiers, and ingredients for viscosity control. So really not a ton of antioxidants or beneficial ingredients. My 7th criteria is animal testing, and the NEOGEN brand is cruelty-free. My 8th criteria is performance, and it does a decent job hydrating the skin. You can see the daytime hand is soft and hydrated. The evening hand is soft and hydrated. So it does a nice job hydrating skin, but it really didn't do too much more than that. The other thing is, it's nice that if you have acne-prone skin, there's really not a ton of ingredients that are super breakout-causing ingredients. I think there's 4, mostly were fatty alcohols. So just a few ingredients in there. So if you have acne-prone skin, this might be a good hydrating product to check out because it doesn't contain a ton of ingredients for that. But if you do have sensitive skin, just be careful because of a few of those fragrance ingredients can cause your skin to be a little bit sensitized. So, so other than hydration, that's about it. So, and then my 9th criteria is price. And so each one of the jar parts are 1.7 ounces. So you get 1.7 ounces of the day cream, 1.7 ounces of the night cream. Which is 100 grams each. So it's 100 milligrams each. So it's pretty good amount. And the price is around $37. Just depends on where you pick it up, if it's on sale or not, or if they have a good promotion. So I didn't find it to be super expensive considering the fact that you get 2 products kind of in one. The only thing that's a bummer is what happens if you really like the day cream but really dislike the evening cream. You're kind of stuck. I guess just use one side and pass the other one on. But that's why I would have really liked to see them contain kind of 2 different jars within one. Like one where you can just lift this up and get the night cream, and another, anyway, whatever. They didn't ask me for my opinion, so I'm still giving it to them though. So, and then my 10th criteria is the it factor. And I don't know. It's hydrating, but the formula and antioxidants and beneficial ingredients is pretty lacking. So I don't know. I was kind of torn. It's okay. If you don't have sensitive skin, you'll probably like this a lot better. And if you don't mind a little bit of fragrance in there, it's not bad. So overall, on the Sarah Score scale, it's got a 5 out of 10, which is okay. Could have done better if they would have asked me for my input, but they didn't. So anyway, although there's a lot of people online that really like it too, so nothing wrong with that. So Anyway, I'm interested if you guys have had a chance to try this out yet or not, and if you have, what your thoughts are. So definitely leave a comment. I love hearing from you guys. Check out the Amazon link below, nobsbeauty.com, and check out my 100 Days, 100 Masks Challenge on my blog. Thank you guys so much.